So today I came across a very important AI tool that you can be able to use to convert your speech or any kind of text that you have into a complete article. Okay, you can convert your spoken speech or any kind of audio that you have. You can upload it, or you can upload a content in form of writing that if maybe you have an ideation about a concept or anything, you can put the snippets of all of those your ideas, and this AI tool can help you to convert them into a ready to publish article for you. Okay, so it's very simple and you can start using it for free. Now to start, let me show you how to access it. You can come to flipner.webflow.io. This is a website. Alternatively, you can search on it on Google and it bring you over here still. Now once you're here, you have the option to log in. If you have already used it before, that means you have a username and password. But if you have not used it before, advisably you can try for free, which means you can go ahead and give in your details like email address and password, and then you'll be able to kickstart using it. So for this, let me just quickly go ahead and show you how to use this to convert your texts or articles. And one of the good things I like about it is that it is available also on mobile application. It is mobile friendly. We can check the mobile apps, depending on whether you're using Android or iOS. You can have access to it and you can download. We can just quickly start using it to generate articles from your text or from your audio. So let's say I have logged in with my own. When you log in for the first time, this is what you see. So you create a column over here, and then you can specify the input language. There are many languages over here that you can choose from, and then down here you can specify the output language, which is going to be by default English language. And then the writing style, you can choose from the available writing style. You can see metaphoric and figurative, list-based, tweet, LinkedIn post, shorten and summarize. You can see journalistic, publicistic, formal, simple and clear, which is the most recommended option over here. So let's go with simple and clear, and then we can go ahead and say create. So this is going to create a column. The next thing is you have to give this a name. You can double click on this and then you can give this a name. For example, we can say things like, you give a name in that maybe the rise of AI in universities. So, rise of AI in universities, for example. Let's give, so this is the title of what we are going to look into. Now you can go ahead and add the snippets from here, which you can click add snippets. Now you can add live audio, text snippets, audio file and subtitle if you have any. You can speak directly and it's going to convert all of your speeches into a very easy and publishable article. Or you can bring in text snippets that you have somewhere, you have recorded somewhere, and you'll be able to really convert it into publishable article. Or if you have outputted an audio somewhere that you think you can use, you can as well import that audio and it's going to help you to convert. Now let's try this live audio. Of course, you have to enable microphone. So once you click, you can kickstart recording. Even though it has picked from the audio that I have been speaking about for some time. To get started, make sure you turn your microphone by clicking on it. Okay, so let's say, all right, so let's add a snippet. Let's start. Hello and welcome back. So today we're going to talk about the rise of AI in our university system, how it is affecting learning, how it is affecting productivity from the student's point of view, and how it is affecting in general the creativity of students and even the lecturers nowadays. So there's a lot to learn from, there's a lot to work on. There's a lot because the changing atmosphere in terms of the learning, the application of what we are learning is rapidly evolving, and there's going to be a lot of shift in our productivity, in the way we produce, in the way we research and develop things in general. So let's say I stop this and now it is writing the audio snippets based on what I have just talked about. So you can merge the two snippets if you are interested in merging the two snippets, or you can add another one and you can have multiple of them. While we wait for this to be written from the text that I have written, we can see now it has written everything. You say hello and welcome back. Today we are discussing the increasing role of AI in our university system. We'll explore how it's impacting learning and productivity from a student's perspective, as well as it affects on the creativity of both students and lecturer. This is exactly what I said in that particular audio that I've just recorded just now. And so I'm just going to close it and I'm going to accept. So I have this as my own snippet. So you can come over here to actions. So you can go ahead and use this. If you're interested, you can download the audio from this directly. You can see. Okay, so you can easily copy this and use for your own content. The next, let's try another one. Let's click in here, and then you can define the initial steps, and then you can go ahead and create, and then you can give it a name. Of course, you can just double click and give this a name as well. Let's say electricity generation in universities. Okay, so let's say electricity generation in universities, and then you can add the snippets. This time around I'm going to add an audio file that I have somewhere. Okay, so let's say I'm going to add a text that I have somewhere of lecture halls, hostels, and parking shades, and so on. So this use solar street lights, and then set up small wind turbines and open or high wind areas. Okay, generate biogas, convert organic waste, install hybrid systems, use micro hydropower, and deploy solar powered system, and then they use energy efficient LED lighting powered by solar system, and so on. So these are some rough ideas about electricity in the universities. You can just go ahead and generate this. Okay, so you can see add snippets about the electricity generation in the university. So this is the input, and then this is what it has generated. Okay, depending on your choice, you can decide to select the writing. You can make it journalistic, and then you can go ahead and say rewrite this if you're interested in rewriting. And this is going to take in the writing style that you have specified, and it's going to rewrite this into a very easy to consume content, and then you can easily copy or download this, and then you can use it for your own generation. You can see right now it has changed everything into a full-fledged journalistic write-up. To promote sustainable energy solutions on campus, a comprehensive plan is being proposed that involves multiple renewable energy sources, and this is the idea that we've just picked in or put in bulleted points. It has now composed it into a full article that you can easily use as a resource for your own writing or for any kind of content you are trying to create. So you can copy this and you can use it outside of Flipner. So I hope this simple AI tool can be of help to you. Let's try to check about the pricing of the AI tool. For the free plan, we get about 5 text columns, 30 text and live audio snippets, and so on. You can see with this much feature. For the most popular, which is going for 15 per month, take a look at what they are going to get. And for the pro and then for enterprise usage, you can reach out to them for that as well. Very, very interesting and very simple AI tool to try. So please just go ahead, see how you can use this to your own advantage, especially with the fact that it is now mobile friendly. Please go ahead, explore it, and see how you can use this to talk or to convert simple ideas that you have in your head into ready to publish articles. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one. Bye.